The 2025 Nano Sparkle Remover Upgrade is the perfect solution for keeping your car's exterior looking flawless. This multi-purpose nano magic cloth is designed to easily repair small scratches, water spots, and oxidation on all types of car surfaces. Whether you're dealing with minor paint swirls or light scuff marks, this innovative scratch remover provides a quick and effective fix without the need for expensive professional repairs. Using advanced nanotechnology, this cloth works by breaking down and blending surface imperfections, restoring the paint's original shine. It's safe to use on all car colors and works on bumpers, doors, and even headlights. The process is simple. Just wipe the affected area with the magic cloth, and watch the scratches fade away. One of the biggest advantages of this 2025 upgrade is its improved formula, which delivers better results with less effort. Unlike traditional scratch removers that require multiple steps and buffing tools, this ready-to-use cloth makes the process effortless. It's also reusable, meaning you can keep it in your car for on-the-go touch-ups. Perfect for car owners, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone who values a spotless vehicle, this Nano Sparkle Remover is an affordable and reliable way to maintain your car's pristine look. If you're tired of seeing unsightly scratches or dull spots on your car's surface, this is the product you need. Want to see the magic for yourself? Get yours today by clicking the link in the description below.